Two siblings, same DNA, different personalities. And in the world of Planar, one word revolutionized the industry: timeless. But now there's new contender in the family, and it is the ultimate showdown between 7Hz Timeless 1 versus the Timeless 2. We have put them through these categories. Let's look at the scorecard to find out which one truly deserves the crown. Quick shout out to Linsol Audio for providing the unit for this review, and let's get into it. Starting at the beginning, both IEM are nearly identical package. The IEM, the metal case, the excellent set of ear tips and the cable, and this unique circular design. But the Timeless 2 pulls ahead early in the competition. It includes additional tuning nozzles that let you swap the filters to match different flavors. It adds that extra bit of versatility that counts. So in this round, Timeless 1 gets 4 and Timeless 2 gets ahead with 5. Round 1 winner, Timeless 2. For the build quality, both of these IEMs sport this coin style approach. The coin style circular metal build we either love or hate. The big shift here, connection types. The original uses MMCX while the Timeless 2 moves to a 2-pin connection. While the other designs are similar, Timeless 1 cable behaves slightly well than Timeless 2. Timeless 2 sometimes tangles and a bit wonky, at least when I was using it. So in this section, Timeless 1 gets 4 and Timeless 2 3.5. Winner, Timeless 1. For comfort, if you have tried one, you have tried other. They are exactly same. This coin style approach, however, is polarized. Some find it very comfortable, however some struggles with it. I personally found it to be comfortable, fine for long hours. However, this shape sometimes can be a little bothersome. If you can, try before you buy. I would say both get 3.5 in terms of comfort out of 5. It's a draw. Now let's move to the exciting part, the sound, starting with the bass. Now this is where the battle heats up. Both follow a similar sub-bass shelf with a mid-bass roll-off. They both absolutely ace the Limit to Your Love test by James Blake for the speed. However, the Timeless 2 takes a lead here. The bass in Timeless 2 has a little bit more roundness and better control over it. It's a tight bass, and the mid bass has a better decay in comparison to Timeless 1. It is a more refined low-end experience in comparison of the two. However, Timeless 1 is no slouch either. It is a fantastic bass experience, but Timeless 2 takes a lead by a margin here. So I would give Timeless 1 a 3.5 and Timeless 2 4 out of 5, and the winner is Timeless 2 for the bass. Now for the mid-range, I would say the lower mid-range is almost similar in both of the IEMs. However, when you go in the upper mid-range, this is where the story changes. In the listening experience, the Timeless 2 is smoother in the upper mids and offers more natural timbre for a planar, whereas Timeless 1 has a tinge of metallicness. But the original Timeless strike back with a better forwardness in the mid, and at the same time I found the weight note to be better on the Timeless 1. Timeless 2 sometimes portrays a little thicker weight note in the mids. And for the timbre, I would say Timeless 2 is on the natural side. When it comes to layering and separation, again, the OG is better than Timeless 2. In this round, I would give Timeless 1 a 4.5 out of 5 and Timeless 2 4 out of 5. The winner is Timeless 1. Now for the vocals, I would say for male vocals, it's very hard to press them apart. They're very similar in terms of male vocal performance. For female vocals, I say Timeless 2 takes a little bit smoother and safer approach, where Timeless 1 has a better energy and better excitement. Especially in certain female vocal tracks, I found Timeless 1 to have better presence. However, depending on the tracks, I find myself switching from one to another and never was able to pick one. So I would say both goes 4 out of 5 and it's a draw. Planar drivers are known for their treble range, and Timeless was a proof of concept that they can make amazing treble. It was airy, it was sparkly, and a fantastic treble take. Whereas Timeless 2 takes a little safer approach in comparison to Timeless 1. It lacks a little bit of brilliance, and I would say Timeless 1 was slightly better in that regards. So for this round, Timeless 1 gets 4 out of 5 and Timeless 2 gets 3.5 out of 5. Winner, Timeless 1. For technicalities, I would say both have a very good speed. However, when I talk about texture, Timeless 2 clearly takes lead by providing better texture than Timeless 1. However, Timeless 1 gives you amazing detail retrieval. In fact, I would say perception of detail retrieval in comparison of Timeless 2 because of the treble. Honestly, you cannot go wrong with either. Both have very good technicalities for a planar driver at this price point. So I would say it's a draw. Both get 4 out of 5. Now for the final category, Soundstage, and I would say Timeless 1 takes lead here because Timeless 1 feels wider and more open in comparison to Timeless 2, which takes a little bit center approach. While none of them are wrong, I found that people generally please a little bit of wider stage. Both have a very good sense of depth and height. However, for just width, this round takes by Timeless 1. So the Timeless 1 gets 4 and Timeless 2 gets 3.5 here. The winner is Timeless 1. Now after this heavyweight clash, the boys played really well. However, by nary a margin, Timeless 1 retains the crown, where Timeless 2 finished second with a solid 35. Timeless 1 retained the crown with 35.5. The crown stays with the king. The original is still one of the best of that air, sparkle and technical edge, and it's still one of my favorite planar till this day. Well, which one would you pick? The refined bass of 2 or a airy magic of 1? Let me know in the comments. I hope I was able to help you in making some decision. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.